Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today in this tutorial, we are going to share 5 tips to boost the computer performance, and we will optimize the computer and it will be act like a brand new machine, and we are not using any third-party software to do any of the step. That's the best part. So the very first step is to disable the startup items, and this will work on all version of Windows 8, 10, and 11. So do a right click at the start icon and open the task manager. Windows 10, you can simply search the task manager and you can open as well. So here, once the task manager is opened, go to startup apps and see which all applications are enabled and do you really need them or not. So just skip the security, sound, Wi-Fi, and other important applications, and disable unwanted, which you do not need at the startup. You can use any time whenever you want to open. However, every time when you turn on the computer, you do not need few softwares and you can simply disable them at the startup. Just leave the security, audio, Wi-Fi, etc. All right. So once you are ensured that yes, everything is fine and I have minimized the startup items, this will not only boost the boot up time, it will also increase the performance of a computer because the moment you turn on the computer, it starts using the resources and your system gets laggy. All right. So this is the first step we need to do. And the second is to clear the cache from computer. And the best way to clear cache from the computer is to run the storage sense. I'll tell you how we can do that. Click on the search icon, type storage, and you will find storage settings, manage storage space, and we just need to go to storage settings. And you will find in Windows 11 and Windows 10, you will find storage sense, automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. If you do not want to do that, you can simply do it manually. I'll tell you how we can do that. Just do a right click in the start icon, go to run, and type clean mgr. I'll maximize it so that you can type it. Clean mgr and click on OK. So this will open up the disk cleanup utility tool. So in your C drive, whatever the junk, temporary files, and temporary internet files are there, this will be cleaned up. And we just need to select all and click on OK. In this manner, you are getting rid of all the junks cache from your computer. So this will take some time, depends how much junk you have in your computer. Once this is done, open the run window again, do a right click, go to run and type temp and hit enter. This will open up a location where all the junk and temporary files are there. Simply press Ctrl A and Shift Delete to delete all those junk from the computer. Some of the files will not get deleted. That's fine. We can skip that. Once this is done, we will open the run window again by doing a right click. And this time we will type %temp %. And we will click on OK. This is another location where the junk sits. The temporary files are there. Ctrl A and Shift Delete. Again, few files are remaining. That is absolutely fine. I'll select do this for all current items and I'll click on skip. Once you are done with this, we will move to the third step where we need to optimize the virtual memory settings. And to do that, we will open the run window. We will do a right click and go to run and we will type sysdm.cpl. This will open up the system properties where we will optimize the virtual memory settings, and I will tell you how we can do that. sysdm.cpl, click on OK. And here we got computer name, hardware, advanced. And under performance, visual effects, processing scheduling, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. So we will click on settings, and under visual effects, if it's selected best for best appearance, keep it. Let Windows choose what's best for my computer. If you're already using best performance, that's really great. But if it's for best appearance, select let Windows choose what's best for my computer. All right. And then go to advanced settings. And if you're using Windows 11, what I would recommend is to change the virtual memory to automatically managing paging file size. This is a great thing. Let the Windows decide how much automatically it requires paging file size. Just make sure you have enough space in your CD drive. Yes, you should always have at least 40 to 50 GB at least space in your CD drive so that your computer works fine. 50 GB is a must. That's at least it should be there because there are so many softwares, requires too much, temporary memory to perform all the things. So I'll go to my File Explorer, just search the File Explorer, and I'll type File space Explorer, and then we will go to this PC at the left-hand side and see how much space you have. All right, so look for the space in the computer. Currently, I have 137 GB free, which is enough, and it should have at least 40 to 50 GB. If you do not know how much has been used, why it has been used, go to the folders like downloads, documents, pictures, music, videos, and other folders you have created. And then go to, then you can simply do a right click and sort them by size. So in this manner, you will be able to find the files who are bigger in size. Sort them in size by doing a right click, sort by size. So in that manner, you will be able to identify larger files. So free up the space as well from your computer. That is a great option. This is a great thing to do. Keep the space. Now, the fourth one is keeping the drivers updated. And when I say driver, that means for most of us, it is the graphics driver. If you have a old graphics driver, you will not get the performance out of it. So to check the driver date and update, we will do a right click in the start icon. We will go to device manager, and then we will go display adapter. So in the display adapter, we will see which graphics card we have. So in my case, I'm using Intel UHD graphics. I'll do a right click on that. I'll go to properties, and I'll go to driver section, and here you will find the driver date and the driver version. All right. So once you are confirmed, if you're using a very old driver, just click on update driver, search automatically for the drivers. If it says the best is already installed, take the name. Like if you're using NVIDIA or any other graphics, take the name and go to the manufacturer website and see is there any latest driver for that particular graphics driver card or not. If you find it well and good, and just update your graphics driver. All right. So, and the last one is to run the malware scan in your computer. So I will tell you one bonus scan as well, which is a Microsoft malicious removal tool. And to do that, just do a right click on the start icon, go to run and type MRT. Just MRT in the run window and click on OK. And it will open up. It will ask you to say yes. And very soon you will find a new window like this, which says Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. And we just need to click on Next. And we can do the quick scan or the full scan. It is up to you. And run. Just make sure your computer is clean from malware or any bug. All right. And as I told you that there is one more bonus tip. So we need to repair the windows as well. So there could be a possibility if any files are missing, any DLL files are missing, or any correction in the windows. So there is a scan which will repair and, it will rebuild your PC. This is a very good thing to do. And this, even if there are no issues in the computer, you can run that. This will make computer better. So search CMD, run as administrator, say yes. And when you see the command from administrator to command prompt, just run a command sfc space / scan now. sfc space / scan now, hit enter. So this will begin the system scan and it will do the verification. And if there is any missing operating OS files or any corruptions are there, it will replace it. So basically, it will refresh the computer without, touching any of the data in the computer. That's the best part. All right, so you can let the scan done. It should not take more than 5 to 10 minutes. Depends on your computer. And once this is done, restart the computer and do let me know in the comment section whether the performance of your computer is better or not, whether you see a big change or a normal change in your computer or not. Please do let me know whether this tutorial is helpful. And if yes, if it is helpful, if it has changed, a good change in your computer, please hit the like, hit the like and subscribe. And please share this tutorial with your loved ones, family, and friends, and make their computer better and optimized. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. I'll be waiting for you guys. I'll see you.